Morning Providence, your current time is 5:46. I'm Cara Bailey, and we have so many celebrations that are happening all over the place, and we've got weather all over the place too. So let's see how the two will coincide. We've got Kelly Bates standing by with a look at your forecast.
We're actually going to kick this off in the tropics, and we will get to local, but this is big news. We have this historic storm, and of course we're talking about Beryl, and even though it has weakened slightly to a Category 4, it's still a major hurricane, and we are bracing for impact in Jamaica and the Cayman Islands, as it is still expected to be a significant storm as it goes over these areas. So that's where we have the hurricane warnings that are currently hoisted. Current sustained winds, maximum sustained winds at 145 miles per hour, and this system we're going to be hearing about for several days, because even though it passes by Jamaica and the Caymans, it is still expected to maintain strength as a major storm as it approaches the Yucatan Peninsula. After that, it reemerges into the Gulf as a tropical storm. We may see some brief strengthening back up to hurricane strength, and then making landfall somewhere along the border of South Texas and Mexico. And it is going to bring with it a lot of wind, a lot of water too, in terms of storm surge, not only the potential of downpours that comes along with a large collection of spinning thunderstorms, which is essentially what we've got. So right here, we have much calmer conditions, a beautiful peachy sky going on this morning. And as we look ahead, we're in for a nice, beautiful day today, a perfect beach day too. Mainly dry conditions and muggy conditions will set up for the 4th. And I say mainly because there is a 20% chance of a late day shower. The humid pattern will be in place starting the 4th, going right through the weekend. And with all that soupiness around, we do have the chance of popping up a few showers as we go from Thursday right through the weekend. With that said, we are starting with temperatures in a mix of 50s and lower 60s. We've got 61 downtown, 52 in Taunton, 56 in New Bedford, and at least our dew points are down. Dew points in the 50s in southern New England in the summertime, that's gold. It means we have beautiful, comfortable conditions out there. So our satellite radar shows that we do have a front on approach. We also are on the backside of an area of high pressure that should keep us dry today. So yes, your forecast does feature a couple more clouds than we saw yesterday, but still fairly similar conditions. That brings us to Thursday. Thursday, we're going to transition from this nice dry air mass to one that's going to hold a whole lot of humidity. So right in between, we have the chance of doing something, and our something means a little bit more cloudiness for Thursday and a slight chance of a late day shower, primarily after 8 p.m. After that, we go through the overnight with a chance of showers, outside chance of a thunderstorm in here as well. Early on the day on Friday, we'll just work on clearing out some clouds, and even though Friday we will be restored to a decent amount of sunshine, the humidity will be spiking. Once it goes up, it just stays up from Thursday right through Sunday. Just really high dew points in the 70s. Folks who have respiratory ailments may have a tough go with this because it does make it harder to breathe. You might want to seek air-conditioned comfort to escape the humidity, if that indeed applies to you. So if you are headed to the beach today, UV index is very high. Don't forget your sunblock. If you're not headed to the beach, don't forget your sunblock. The UV index is very high. Our rip current risk is low. Water temperatures hovering right around 70 degrees when you average everyone together. Should be a pretty fabulous day, by the way, if you want to take it to the beach. So humid conditions will be with us Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We do catch a little bit of a break as we go into Monday and Tuesday of next week. Cara?